welcome to the Friday edition of Spotty Tampa International. Holy shnikes. Looks like we got some rain coming our way. It was pouring rain when I left home. Well, let's get right into the aviation action. Thanks for being here. Wow. In the 2 or 3 minutes I've been here, it feels like it's cooled down 5 degrees and the wind is really starting to whip. This is 2204 United to Newark, EWR. I gotta go relocate one down. Got some lightning flashing nearby. I don't want to be stuck on the top here.
contact departure 120.65.
12065, Spirit 2450.
Spirit 2450 just went around. They said the rain was so heavy midfield that they had to go around. So I moved to the south end. I'm in the economy garage, taking cover one level down from the top. Oh, now we got a wind shear alert. We got a Spirit on short final.
599 is Iowa 191. I find out I get there, me 19 left, with 27016, gust 25, production, lower wind shear advisories in effect. Copy that. 1 left, clear land, number 19. Hey, wind. April wind 27016, gust 25. Wind shear alert 19 left arrival, wind shear alert 20 not lost, 1 mile final.
Looks like the Cessna's getting it down without a problem.
Equalizer southwest, 599, any chance to the right side visual? Cessna 599, you at the airport? Southwest 599. 599, King Charlie, 119 over right, clear land with 27016, 19 right, clear land, Southwest 599, thanks.
Southwest just switched runways on us.
And 8103 Bravo, turn left to Juliet, getting wind shear. Left to Juliet, 01 shear, daytime Juliet Bravo, 0.7, get it. 0.7, daytime Juliet Bravo. Negative wind shear, reported 19 left final. Alright.
Spirit. That's Norman Greenbaum, 1988 from BWI, Baltimore, Washington International. Well, we know Southwest opted for the west side, the 19er right. As you heard, the last aircraft landing, they had no wind shear.
4146, I'm now looking 19. 4146, that's 1 left. Southwest, 146. 26 Hotel, runway 19 left, let him reach, traffic 8 mile foul, departure instructions for 120.
Oh yeah, that's what we want right there.
And your departure frequency is now 12065. 1988, turn with April, ground 0.7, getting wind shear. 2 right turns, ground 0.7, negative. Smooth ride, moderate rain, and we had visibility, we can see the runway the whole way in. Yep.
Nice job, Spirit.
26 Hotel, tell me what
41-46 on short final. Man, we just had a kaboom right above us. Sirens went off. telling the ground crews to take cover. So there's nobody working the ramps right now until they get the all clear. Almost looks like a United down there going to take off. A 19er left. Oh yeah.
Whatever ground point said, that was good. So we're going to do ground point. Contact jobs on the land right there.
Those jobs southwest. Man, they were on the reversals.
1,000 feet, that's now we got 57 phone Bravo, like to climb up to 2,000 if we can with the clouds, or just get a block on 15 to 2.
Well, with northbound departures all halted, it's a perfect time for a super thanks, super shout out here at TPA. Super thanks, super shout out to Ed Mill 47. Ed, how are you? Good friend, supporter, watcher, viewer of the channel. Big thanks from the boss and myself, Ed. Truly appreciate you supporting the channel and help keeping us on the road here at the spotting. It's truly appreciated. And if you'd like to support the channel like Ed, please check out that super thanks icon. Or better yet, the PayPal link in the description down below. Hey, if you haven't done so already, we're on our way to 20,000 subscribers. Smash that subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bell, uploads each and every day. Yep, 7 days a week we're here for you. A little more lightning. And again, a big thanks to Ed Mill 47 for supporting the channel. And while we duck for cover, we'll try to get you right back to the aviation action. Don't go anywhere, don't touch that dial. Well, that's the all clear bell now. Crews can come back out. So that Spirit's still sitting out there. Nobody to marshal them in, but they can get out there now. This is 2450. A sure bet, yep. ACY Atlantic City. And short, final. United down there on 19er left. Just to the left of Spirit. We've shut down one motor. I'm not sure what they're waiting for, but it sounds like we're still halted, no departures to the north, which is most every aircraft.
Like minus 999 Campus Tower.
Ooh, they're going easy on the reversers.
So 2450, anyway, can you just please, and how was your ride?
Yeah, I think they're just on the brakes.
That's a big ground point 7.
We're down to 2450.
Bah humbug. We can get his spray. Well, we got some aircraft in a holding pattern out in the Gulf of Mexico. Oh, wait a minute, Gulf of America.
I know you guys are working the situation. I'm just trying to get an idea of how much market delay for us going north would be.
It's raining like cats and dogs over at Raymond James Stadium. Look at that cell dropping copious amounts of grease thin. That might have been the cell that just went over us about 5 minutes ago. United keeps asking, how much longer do you think it'd be before we get to go? There's a reason for asking. He says, we've become a hot tub with these engines turned off. Oh, I bet it's hot in there. Can't open any windows, that's for damn sure. They're just sitting there. It's cooled off a little bit because of the rain, but it's still like 86 degrees out. Well, United, we got to go back to the gate. Appears they're either timing out or it's going to be a fuel issue. So, that long wait for them. Going back to their side A. Son of a 3029 Houston. 737-800.
29, proceed on to runway 1 on the left and then make the first right turn. Contact ground point 7.
Alright, taxi on 19 left, first right turn, confirm you want us off on Bravo and then ground point 2.
That is correct, that's point this minute.
Runways here drain amazingly well. 782 miles, 2 hours and 16 minutes. Southwest.
75 Hotel Foxtrot, speaker gets in over in a moment. Sure, 75 Hotel Foxtrot, only 1 on the left line for road traffic, 6 miles.
We got a big cell over downtown Tampa.
Runway 1 on the left, straight point.
And then South Tampa. Looks like they're really getting clobbered as well. Look at that. That's dark. 3029 Houston. 737-800.
29, proceed on to runway 1 on the left and then make the first right turn. Contact ground point 7.
Alright, taxi on 19 left, first right turn, confirm you want us off on Bravo and then ground point 2.
That is correct, that's point this minute.
Runways here drain amazingly well. 782 miles, 2 hours and 16 minutes. Southwest.
75 Hotel Foxtrot, speaker gets in over in a moment. Sure, 75 Hotel Foxtrot, only 1 on the left line for road traffic, 6 miles.
2021, another Spirit. It's a Norman Greenbaum kind of day. So United is trying to get back to its gate, but Lightning, the ground haul. Now we got ground haul for the staff. Total ground haul for any aircraft going north. No takeoffs.
Yeah, 2021, anyway, 73, contact ground point 7.
Ba-boom.
Ground point 7.
Well, we just got the all clear again. These storm cells are moving in and out of here so fast. Ground crews are running in, out, in, out, in, out. They're working their tails off. Well, Frontier couldn't get out. Southwest snuck by, our first departure. 19 right.
By 26, going pretty miles per hour with that one, but there's only traffic about 20 to the north. 37, 35, right when you're able to contact ground point 7. Mile final.
2684.
Short of runway 19.
It's Cubby the Bear. Cubby's been here a whole lot of late.
Tower America 21.
Rock and Roll Hall of Fame, Cleveland. Oh.
Ticket 317, tower 1 and away, please continue traffic, just to 35 direct.
Looks like the lightning might be coming to an end. If that's the case, we're going to head to the other end of the airport. Mexico, 1741 to Mexico City. Boeing Max 8, nice BM. 1,200 miles to Mexico City. Oh, we're gonna have a little problem there. Well, back where we started. Upper level. Short-term parking garage. Overlooking 1-9er right.
You'll be the next after, well, you're going to be 30 miles of trail after being on March. 2 miles outside of Moss Island, 19 left. The 1447 tail, only 19er left, clear going. Middle air 19 left, 1447.
Foxy Moxie, 129.
Foxy 129, can I start kidding?
Ooh, check it out. 1219 southwest to BNA Nashville is Nevada 1. Special every time in the cafeteria here at TPA.
Frontier 3324, temp turn, runway 19er ready to line up and wait on departure for room ahead. Line up and wait. Right. You're going to be 30 miles south of Moxie. This guy's going to have a different departure gate. We have multiple departure gates. You'll be next south to northbound departure.
Southwest isn't happy. Sunny, the lemon shark, has also been here, it seems like, numerous times this week. Sunny and Cubby have become good friends. Sunny's headed to ISP, never to be confused with ESP, Long Island. Continues to rain, but lightly. It's warming the heck up.
Southwest 1219, really 19er right. Line up and wait.
Nice breeze we have going on.
Frontier 3324, can I confirm trigger date? Frontier 3324.
I still don't think Southwest is happy. They have to explain. Southwest was in 30 miles in trail to the Foxy Moxie. And the Frontier didn't have any in-trail spacing, so they got to go ahead of Southwest. You know, Southwest, they don't like waiting for anybody. Their motto is go, go, go.
47 anyway, turn one way.
1219.
Southside 19, connect approach. Departure Southwest 09.
12:27, departed ATL, World's Busiest Airport. A little over an hour ago.
Triple 1686, runway 1 out of left, clear takeoff. Triple 1686,
Yeah, typically this is a 7.5.
Taxi 532, runway 1 out of left, clear to land.
A321 today. Wow, humbug. Hey, did you see yesterday's video? Was that crazy or what? Those 3 big jets back to back to back. I mean, it was so loud down there, the ground was vibrating, shaking.
12.7, turn left, Whiskey Tree, ground point 7.
FedEx and UPS.
Ground point 7, down 12.7.
The MD-11, the 757 rocket ship, the 767-300 freighter, all nose to tail, up close and personal in your face. It was wild. I was a little excited. Oh, here comes a breeze. Oh, thank you. Yeah, turn it and burn it. 2605, we're talking rocket ship service to ATL. The world's busiest airport, Las Vegas International Airport. Oh yeah, light those burners, punch a hole in the sky. Rocket ship service at your command. Oh, passengers are pushed back in their seat. Their lips are bent back over their noses. All the G-forces. Hey, we'll be on one of those next month.
2605, connect approach, good evening. March 2605, wind 1306.
Twee? Did we say twee? Climb, baby, climb. 1227, by the way, is a 4-year-old Airbus A321. Made the short trek from ATL. They're parking today at Echo 64. Hats off to all the ground crews today dealing with the bad weather, especially that lightning. Dangerous stuff. These crew, talk about professionals. Another Delta minibus A319 from Raleigh, Durham. 1 hour, 58 minutes of flying time, 585 miles. Yeah, they had a little problem today. Storm, I guess they didn't take off. They left really late. They're 2 hours and 2 minutes late in arriving.
Runway 1 minute right, line up at the wing, southwest exit. That's close to that, go left foot, ground point 6. Alright, left one angle, ground point 7, go full 79.
Hey everybody, buddy
So 360,
Kevin.
100, quick takeoff.
L1011, the best channel on
100,
YouTube.
quick takeoff, southwest 860.
Just saw it flash up on my phone screen. Loves the idea about taking some questions.
Hey, 12, 100, quick land with 1605.
Thank you, Kevin L1011. Great supporter of the channel. To Birmingham. Well, we've seen a lot of Spirit today. It's one of their A320 Neos. Heading for 19er right, 7 knots. Oh, no sooner than Delta came in at Echo 64 with an Airbus A321. They're pushing the A321 out of Echo 62. Bastion still won't let me drive one of those tugs. What's the worst I can do? Maybe I shouldn't word it that way. The boss wants to be a marshal, and I want to be the tug driver. That's not too much to ask. Let us give us a crash course, no pun intended, and let us go push out an aircraft. How about the British Air 777 in the early evening? Let us back that beast out. Hello, mates. This is your captain speaking. Our flying time to London's Heathrow tonight, or London Gatwick, will be 8 hours and 12 minutes. Good news, we're on schedule until these idiots started pushing us back. Now the plane's cockeyed and we can't get out. Oops. Must be having some problems at Orlando. Oh, I got some thunder in the area again. Getting close. This is JetBlue that diverted from MCO to TPA. Oh, they must be having some problems at Orlando. Oh, I got some thunder in the area again. Getting close. This is JetBlue that diverted from MCO to TPA. There's been a lot of Spirit today. Oh, look at that storm cell just east of us. Woo-wee!
Number 41, 47, 10, Charlie, 100 right, out of the week. On the way, 100 right, south 41, 47.
Ooh, 41, 45 to Charlotte. Not Charlotte. I don't know where they're going. To Charlotte, like that Spirit.
Someone pay the tower. These 9 tip cylinders, 2 yards, anyway.
They let Southwest go ahead of them.
Going north of Whitby, 100 plus again, transition for downtown, and then we'll work the park of exactly the battery, east of there. We'll go. Get on course to clear. departure, good evening. Oh, departure, okay, where are you still? 21.
Tower Southwest, turn up at 2, we'll be ready.
2260.
Tower 2291, the Atlas 1 up. Looks like 294, temp Charlie 19 left. Good ahead. Clear land 1 left, 2291.
Departed Houston, HOU. 2 hours and 26 minutes ago.
2451, temp Charlie 19 right, line up that way.
19 right, line up that way, 2451.
2451 on departure for the red one.
Runway heading on departure, 2451.
Hey, Spirit's gonna finally get to go.
Yeah, 2260 trail off this tree off right there today. 53 ground, United 22.
I got it right now. 2451. We saw them taxi. Charlotte, North Carolina. 515 miles. Whoa! Went to grab something and hit the camera.
Line up away, 1221. I'm sorry, line up away, 19 right, Shear was 1221.
1221 on departure, runway heading on departure.
Runway heading on departure, Shear was.
Ooh! It must be light. Ooh, impressive. Dang it, go and get it on. Hope that's not a bad sign for Spirit that nobody's flying.
Spirit 2451, take departure today. Go on departure, Spirit 2451. One on the right, quick pick up.
Things are starting to get back to normal. Well, the aircraft we got finally getting out of here.
Only one on the left, line up and wait, we're on departure, fly the runway heading.
Alright, line up away, 1 on the left, stop there, 30 down to 2.
The Spirit convention continues. Oh yeah, and here comes our Boeing tails for our Boeing tail numbers, and you know who we are. Well, we went from no traffic to all said traffic backing up.
Got the 3952, only one on the left. Good pick up. 19 right, and then 530. That's 1776 temperature, departure, fly runway heading, runway 1 on the right, line up away.
538.
Line up away, 1 on the right, runway heading on departure, Delta 1736.
Down in that crowd. With that in-trail spacing, even though the skies have opened, they can't get the aircraft down as fast as they'd like to. Jacksonville Center tells them what to do on those, I do believe. .538's headed to Newark. Next aircraft can go. Once 538, a 737-900ER gets 30 miles out. And could this be our first Waller Shane?
Check. We're at 1305.
Wind's now at 5. They were at 28 an hour ago.
Making sure we call Delta. 68502, you will do this whole short there because just 30 miles of trail and I'm going to get somebody else up the other gate ahead of you. Understood, Southwest 8502, we'll hold here. On departure flight runway heading, remain in position. Only heading in the position for about 31.
1776. Oh, I knew it. That did look a little slow. Delta, what are you thinking? What are you trying to get in the competition for the Wall of Shame winner, the Wally Awards?
The 16 cups, well, top there, just east of the airport will be the team of parallel. American, 603 tonight, we're looking around 27. Right to the gun, that's 1776 flight departure.
It's a legacy carrier, Trifecta. AA, preceded by Delta, preceded by United. US of A's, 3 legacy carriers. And all 3 in the Wall of Shame. Mark this on your calendars, boys and girls. That's rare. Woo! That wind is stopping and it's getting muggy. Gang, that's a wrap. That's going to conclude this wild and crazy wind shear, lightning, ground halt, go around, you name it, we had it today. In addition to spotting, we still got lightning and thunder in the area. If you haven't done so already, hope you'll take a moment, smash that subscribe button, like, share, hit the notification bell. Uploads each and every day, you betcha, 7 days a week. You don't want to miss a single episode. And if you'd like to support the channel, please check out the Super Thanks icon, or better yet, the PayPal link down below. Don't forget to like and share. All that good stuff, you know the drill. It's much appreciated. Big thanks from the boss and myself. We truly appreciate you being here and joining us and spending some of your valuable time with us. And as always, we'll see you again tomorrow.